equals mc square.
And so, do you have any advice for students going into the field of science?
The advice, I would say, well, there has to be an interest. If you are studying something, irrespective whether it's a science or a maths or any other subject, if you like some subject, pursue it, point one. Secondly, when you try to do something, especially the science are a bit harder compared to other subjects, do not give up. If you see that you are not getting enough time to practice, you are struggling, you are unable to probably make progress, never give up. Either you buy some time, give time to yourself, and then look for alternatives, but the path should be always there and you should be always go ahead with that because you want to do something. It has to come back to you as an individual because you want to pursue. And where and when required, always seek for help. Talk to people. So, okay, I got stuck in this particular project, I got stuck in this question. Can you help me out? Instead of putting it aside and not coming back and seeing it, then once it is there for 2 or 3 weeks and you are not going back, you lose interest. The moment you lose interest, you lose the momentum. Okay, so keep up. So talk to people, pursue your whatever dream you have. Science is, I'm not discrediting any other subject. Science is a subject where you will see that it is there in the world and you will definitely love it as you go out and want to do something different. Opportunities are always there. It's not like the business market, sometimes high, sometimes low. Physics is physics, it is there. You can do something different. Recently they found out within the quarks, the other subatomic particles, more subatomic particles. So research will keep happening. So there are opportunities for you to see more and more things. When I was in college, we never heard about quarks. We only knew the atoms and the electron and the proton and neutron, that's all. So that's where science is. This is difference in science to other subjects. Whereas the other subjects, not naming, sometimes they become seasonal depending upon what's happening in the world. Now COVID is happening, so everybody is in a mess, the world is in a mess. So as scientists, now you have the opportunity to see how I can actually find a solution moving forward. So that's where science is slightly different to other subjects. Yeah.
And so, of course, you've got so much experience doing all 3 sciences in university, which is something that people never hear of these days. So, especially this question, which is related to our viewers. So, whenever you struggle with a really tough concept, as we know, university is no joke. What you're learning is quite difficult. So, how did you approach it? How do you get around something that was quite difficult in the moment?
I will answer in 2 different ways. One is obviously, again, during my time, laptop never existed, internet never existed. What was available was the library and the books. So if I got stuck with any concept or any idea, or the professor gave a problem which I didn't know how to go forward, I would have gone to the library and read some books. Even today in my house, I got 2 very good physics books which were very good then, which are still good today. Gankoli and Cutnell and Johnson, all these are 2 masters of physics. And these books are fantastic. I followed them, I'm still reading. If suppose when I'm teaching an IB problem, when there is something which is different and new, I go back to Gankoli. It's as simple as that. My children know that. So that's one thing. Secondly, I always approach the professors. So we'll go with, okay, this is what is the problem given, this is what is the concept, I have done like this, is it correct, am I on the right path, or do I need to make any changes? And my professors always helped me out. So I had never any issues with that.
Yeah. So what were the names of the 2 books you mentioned?
One is the Gankoli. I have it in my in the book. Gankoli is available on Google, but it's not free. But I have other one is Cutnell and Johnson. So these are the 2 books, and they are the beautiful books. Yeah. If you want to know physics, you read these 2 books.